Today we have day 24 of Halloween themed prints. As we are nearing the end of this challenge preparation for new content to come next month. Today we have an X-Men themed print. It is Cyclops Visor. I'm really excited to see how this one is going to turn out because this is a face wearable prop. So check this out. So as you guys can see, I currently don't have an actual size comparison today because what we're doing a little bit different with this one is post-processing. If we happen to finish in time of this upload being done, you guys will see it. Other than that, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for tomorrow's print.